number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions.
First was in January 15, isa. Then, February 1 ako, another 10,000. February 15 siya. So, pinroduce yan ng aming teamwork sa Golden Arwana Group.
Wow! Kita mo yan? Pag Golden Arwana, pag may Golden, pwede pang mag-gold. Paano ito? Hindi na pwede. Golden Arwana, congratulations 3 times? Okay. Ito po. JOLs ito. Orchid pala ito, Orchid.
Hello everybody. I'm Ida Mateus. I joined last September. I received my $10,000 February 3.
Yes! Chinese New Year again. Miss Nida has been working with PCSO for the longest of time, and she has been giving out money several times in millions of pesos. Last February 3, New Year's time, he received his own gift for herself, 560,000 pesos. Thank you, Ma'am Nins. Kiss you.
Thank you. Good more earnings. Pag-retire na pinag-uusapan din, I'm Mitch Pailago, a retired HR at the age of 26. I joined TBI September 17. I started with 3 shares. I received my first $10,000 last February 1. And 2 of my accounts nasa top of the board So, truly TBI is all about touching people's lives.
Retired HR Manager, Miss. Yes, ma'am. Your name?
Good morning. I'm Lucy Gonzaga, a teacher from Sorana. My username is Maluts. I joined TBI December 10 and I earned my $10,000 January 27. And now my Maluts has cycled out to the 3rd level and about to earn another $10,000.
Maluts! Maluts! Ito po. Tita Jo, kami.
Good morning. I am Emerald. I joined TBI last September and I got my first $10,000 after 2 months and 9 days. I am not retired, but I am retired.
Kita niyo. Pero sasabihin ko pa rin retired. Alam niyo ang new definition ng retired? Ang retired po, ang bagong definition po ng retired, bagong tire. Binago po yung tire, hindi retire. Diba? Yan. So, kaya po mabilis ito po. Tita Jo, Sueno, Mr. Mike!
I'm Mike Sueno, I'm challenger. Every day I listen to my wife explain the travelers and the express board. I never understood her except for 2 things. $500 and $10,000. And in 4 weeks I exited, I received $10,000.
Okay, here's another one.
Good morning. I'm Minda Dar from Tacurong City. I'm a retired banker. I joined TBI on September 1 and I received my first $10,000 on January 20. Thank you.
That's Minda Dar, not coming from Dar. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. I'm Margie Maravilla of Coronadal City. I'm a school registrar for 9 years and I am retired now. I joined TBI December 2nd week of December with 3 shares. My first 500 is December 31, second is January 11, third 500 is January 27, and my $10,000 is February 11.
211-2011. Ganda ng date mo, ma'am. May 560,000 ka. Okay, next! So, wow, hello, I'm Ruben. I'm Stoy. I'm
I joined the Scout December 10. I got the $10,000 demarter.
Kita mo yan? Okay, tapos na ba tayo? Tapos na ba tayo? Ha? Tapos na ba tayo? May isa pa. Ito po yung latest edition. Kung sa bread po, hot pandesal. Bakit? Kagabi lang po, around 12:25, 1 a.m. 1 a.m. today, the newest gold associate from Mindanao of TVI Express, Miss Piron Poses. Yes!
Thank you, Sir Ferd. Na-intriga sila. Kasi po, applied ko siya. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Veronica Pasis from General Santos City. Yes! Go, Jensen! So, I signed a girl from $10,000 board in less than 2 months. So, I thank God for giving us TVI Express.
So there you are once again. Let's give them a big round of applause. The Gold Associate of TVI Express. Thank you, ladies and
I've waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the chance.